Campus Studio, welcome back to another session in which we're going to talk about the work from home culture. As the entire world is going through the COVID-19 crisis and with an increasing emphasis on remote working. Today, we have Miss Meenakshi Kiran, a human resource specialist working in CNews Software Systems in Girgaon, with us. Thank you, Meenakshi, for part of this session. And tell us how the companies are managing to handle the work from home culture. Over to you.
Hello everyone, this is Meenakshi and I hope everyone is doing safe and healthy. Thank you Sandeep for having me today, and it's my pleasure to have this session with you. I would also like to thank Campus Studio for providing us this platform where we can share our thoughts with the masses outside there. And this COVID-19, as you said, that how this COVID-19 has impacted. This COVID-19 has impacted companies, educational institutes in a huge way. Not only companies and institutes, this COVID-19 has impacted a country in a big economical way also. It has forced companies to go for the work from home culture. In the beginning, work from home culture was like a bit unusual for everyone. You know, it was a bit difficult for everyone to adjust with this work from home culture. If you say, I was before earlier, this company where I'm working currently, I was working with a manufacturing firm, and if I compare my previous company with my current company, work from home in the IT sector is a bit usual because they provide work from home facilities generally to their employees. But in other sectors like companies like healthcare, manufacturing, automobiles, garments, hotel industries and many other industries, this work from home culture is a bit unusual. It is a bit difficult for them to cooperate with this. The cooperate is not the right word, to adopt this work from home culture. But keeping in view the health aspects of employees, of the staff, companies are ready to adopt this culture in their companies. IT sector, like many IT giants, have decided to go for longer period for this work from home culture. They have decided that they will work till 2025 with the 75% of staff in this work from home culture. Okay. At first, this work from home culture was very challenging for team leaders, for managers, for CEOs, for HR professionals, because when you work at offices, it becomes easy because you're in face-to-face touch with the staff, where you can assign them work, where you can manage, where you can monitor their work. But when it comes to work from home, assigning work, managing work, it becomes very difficult. It is very challenging for, when you work at offices, it becomes easy for HR professionals to guide, to provide facilities, to stop whenever there is any redressal, which is very difficult when you do work from home. But with the passage of time, work from home has become somehow part of our lives now. New policies has been introduced by many companies. New policies has been developed by many companies. Like if I talk about my company, we are still doing employee engagement activities online, via Skype, via Zoom, and other platforms of video conferencing. Why we are doing this? We are doing these activities to actually reduce the stress of the staff, because working from home has actually increased the stress in staff. But keeping these difficulties aside, we have leveraged technologies like Google Hangout, Skype, Zoom, Google Meets for work from home arrangements and ensuring the continuity of the work. In other words, if I say, the start and end of each day is just like before, with regular communications and synergy within teams, okay, and with the clients with the video conferencing technologies. It continues to be challenging, and we are learning on the go, one day at a time, with effective and ethical work practices virtually. If you see, all our employees, staff members have generally been given laptops, dongles, etc., and they're well equipped to go for the work from home culture now. It is not a concern actually. Work from home is not a concern actually. It would be impacting where the employees need to come office and work from office. If you see the other side of this work from home, it has become very easy for employees to work from home because they don't need to travel, they don't need to leave their children's babies at their home and come to office work. It has become very easy for them because at the same time they'll work for their companies and they'll take care of their children also. So if you see, work from home has many positive aspects now. Okay, you can give time to your family, you can actually do work-life balance. Okay, so these are my thoughts about the work from home and how it has been adopted by the companies. It has been prone to be the cost effective to companies, also to IT sectors, also to our company also. So work from home has many good aspects also, and I hope everyone at home are enjoying work from home, and these are my thoughts. Once again, thank you for having me today, Sandeep. It was nice to have this session with you, and once again I would like to extend my gratitude to Campus Studio for having this platform where we can share our thoughts, what we think actually, what is going on, what is going around us, with the masses who is sitting outside, and they can also get some point of the other, like thoughts of others to think of. Okay, thank you everyone, and stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. I hope we will be over this pandemic very soon. Thank you everyone.
Thank you, Meenakshi, and for being with us and sharing your thoughts over how the companies are going to manage the work from home culture during COVID-19. And I hope our viewers can get the benefit from this session. And I would like to thank you, all my audience, all my viewers who are watching this video. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. And I would request to all, stay home, to stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you so much.